Welcome to the EZU course about EZLynx accounting. In this course, you will learn how to use the autopay feature and how to run a check detail report. This video is intended for any user at an agency with EZLynx accounting that can access the autopay feature. So, let's get started. Autopay helps users create checks, an EZLynx term that refers to any record of an agency payment to carriers, customers, and producers. Journal entries are created in EZLynx, then exported to your general ledger in QuickBooks. Autopay allows you to create checks for multiple payees and payables in a single step. Payables can include agency or direct bill payments, customer refunds, or producer payables. To use Autopay, hover over the accounting icon and select Payables. On the Checks tab, click on the Autopay button in the top right corner. You will work this page from left to right. First, start by setting the appropriate filters. The date range will default to show all open payables but can be narrowed by a specific date range by clicking in the date fields. The payee type allows you to only filter specific types of payees when creating checks. To unselect, simply uncheck the box next to the payee type you don't want to see, or use the All/None buttons. The additional options here need to be reviewed when creating checks. The Paid in Full Only option will only include agency bill payables where a receipt has been applied to the invoice for producer payables and billing company payables. The Include Credits option will include any negative line items for commission or billing company payables. This option should always be checked. The Branches dropdown is available for agencies with multiple branches in EZLynx to select the applicable location. When ready, click the Apply button. Now, check the box next to Payee to select all open payables at once. Be sure to check the boxes for the appropriate payable items to be paid from the same bank account and designate whether each is a credit or EFT payment. If credit or EFT is not selected, then EZLynx sends a printable check to your integrated QuickBooks account. Next, check the Submit boxes for the payable items. We recommend finalizing checks immediately upon creation. However, if you need to modify the check before finalizing, you can leave this box unchecked and come back to submit it. At Autopay, select the disbursement bank account from the drop-down, then click Create Checks. If additional payable items need to be disbursed from another bank account, then you'll need to repeat these steps for those payments. All checks are individually created, finalized, and ready to export to QuickBooks for printing. Now, we'll discuss the check detail report. Having access to a daily check summary is important. The check detail report is used to print a check summary when the information won't fit on a check stub, like a commission check. To run a check detail report, locate the check and click the Actions link at the right to select Check Detail Report. This report includes the applicant, payee, payment date, amount, policy number, and more. To print the report for your records, click the Print button in the top right-hand corner. Repeat these steps as needed. That concludes our tutorial. You should now know how to use the Autopay feature and run a check detail report in EZLynx accounting. Thanks for watching.